Hi, Meowth. Auntie Chris here. Say goodbye. You're going home in about an hour. I'm so happy you're going to be in a home, Meowth. Every night I go to bed and I worry about you here all alone. And last night I was thinking, oh, this is the last night that Meowth has to be all alone at the shelter. Because tomorrow night she's going to be with her new mom. We both love you very much, Meowth. You're a very special girl. You're so sweet. Look at that little face. Say, Auntie Chris, leave me alone so I can have the dinner you just brought me. So it's Tuesday. And you've only got an hour or so left at this shelter, Meowth. And I hope I see you in your new home. No, it's not going to be a final goodbye because your mummy said that I can come visit you. Yeah, you're not going to live too far from me. Now you be a good girl, okay? Don't you go hiding too much. I bought you a Heidi cube. Yeah, so you don't go underneath beds. You just go into that little cube that you're going to take home with you. And I put one of my shirts in there too, so you'll be able to smell Auntie Chris, so you have something familiar. And tomorrow morning when I come in, your cage will be empty. But I know that you're going to be in a happier place for sure. I love you, Meowth. You're my special girl. Bye-bye. You be good for your mummy. You sit on her lap and let her pet you and brush you and be the sweetest little girl that I know you are. Do love you, Meowth. Bye-bye, girl. Bye-bye.